Good morning. In this video, I'll be going over the steps I took to make this compact pallet wood shelving for my tools. As always, I start by cutting and pulling apart some pallets. The area I am working with is 880 wide, 800 deep and 1640 high. To the left is a set of 5 vertical pallet wood drawers and above is the built-in TV cabinet. I'll be running palings along the back wall, but I want to get the shelf attached into the frame before I go any further. I ripped a length of 35 by 90 down the table saw at 30 degrees. This angle holds the drills and impact drivers in a sturdy and easy to grab position. I attached this angle to another piece of 35 by 90 via pocket holes, PVA glue between them, pipe clamped together and attached with chipboard screws. Attached a rip length of non-structural pine to one of the back wall palings. This will help hold the shelf I just made. That's now attached into the frame and the length underneath, and it's not going anywhere. Used a spade bit larger than my biggest router bit so my trim router can sit nicely on the shelf. I added a length of 35 by 35 to attach the side wall palings to and the length of flat bar to. The flat bar holds my angle grinders and some small clamps. I then framed up a small bench and attached the palings underneath, only because I liked that height better. I mounted the power board to the back wall and also mounted my small battery charger to the wall as well, drilling a hole so I can run the cord down the back, and my spare battery clips on the flat bar. I sat my 3 larger chargers on the bench and ran those cords through a paling that juts out from the back wall. For these vertical side pieces, I needed some long palings. Luckily for me, my parents saved this extra long pallet for me. I filled in the right-hand side wall with palings and used a jigsaw to cut a slit for the flat bar. I then started to fill in the left side. The reason I use chipboard screws is because they are affordable. Mark and cut out any unique pieces. I raided my dad's shed for a few things like a hook to hold the live extension cord and a few clamps to hold it in place behind the wall. For extra strength, I attached the hook into the frame, not just the paling. For the access lid to the power board, I just clamped 2 palings side by side and joined them together with a paling attached to both pieces. Squared up one end, then cut the other end to length. 28mm spade bit for a hole to help pick it up. I'm currently building 4 pallet wood drawers for underneath this bench. The top one holds my batteries and a few other things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.